Are you concerned of why BeReal notifications not working on Android phone? I will show you how to fix BeReal app notifications not working on Android or Samsung phones in this video, so let's go ahead. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your Android phone. A simple but highly effective ways to get rid of any kind of error is by restarting your phone. Just press and hold the power button unless you get several options on your screen. Now, click on Restart option. Method 2. Check network connection. A slow or poor internet connection can be the culprit for BeReal app not working on Android. In such a situation, you must ensure your device is getting a stable internet connection. Method 3. Force stop BeReal app. Follow the below steps. First, open settings on your phone. Now, go to Apps, see all apps and choose BeReal. Here, click on the Force Stop option. Method 4. Enable notification settings. Here's what you have to do. First, open settings on your device. Now, click on Apps and select BeReal. From here, choose Notifications, enable the Show Notifications option. Method 5. Check app settings. Follow the below steps. Open the BeReal app, click on the Profile option. Now, click on More options. After that, open Notifications and select the type of notification you want. Method 6. Clear BeReal app data. Here are the steps to follow. First, go to Settings on your device. Now, open Apps greater than See All apps and choose BeReal. Next, open Storage and Cache, tap Clear Data/Storage. After that, click on OK to confirm it. Method 7. Verify settings of BeReal notification. Here's what you need to do. First, open Settings, Apps, See All apps. Now, choose BeReal app. Next, open Notifications, click on all BeReal notifications to disable. Finally, enable after few minutes. Method 8. Check and update BeReal app. Follow the steps as guided. First, open Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now, click on Profile, select Manage Apps and Device. Next, move to Updates Available. Search for BeReal app and click on Update. Method 9. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Follow the steps. First, open Settings, go to Notifications, then Do Not Disturb. Here, click on Turn Off Now. Then, simply choose BeReal from the list. At last, enable the type of notifications you want. Method 10. Check server downtime. When the issue continues, then you should also check if the error is from the server end. It may happen that there is downtime from the server side. To get the confirmation, you can visit a website like UpDown Radar. Method 11. Turn off adaptive battery. Follow the steps. First, open Settings, click on Battery. Now, find Adaptive Preferences option. Here, two options will be visible: Adaptive Charging and Adaptive Battery. Select Adaptive Battery option. Method 12. Uninstall and reinstall BeReal app. Follow the steps. Open Settings, Apps, See All apps, choose BeReal. Now, tap on Uninstall option. After that, go to Google Play Store, search for the BeReal app. Then, click on the Install option. Method 13. Turn on background data. First, open Settings, Apps, See All apps option. Now, choose the BeReal app from the list. After that, move to Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. Finally, enable the background data option. Method 14. Contact BeReal Professional. If still the issue continues, then it's time to contact BeReal Professionals. They will try to resolve the problem as soon as possible. Open the app, profile and move to More. Then click on Help and Contact option. Method 15. Use a professional repair tool. Go for a powerful tool like Android Repair, one of the best ways to fix all types of issues or errors on Android/Samsung phones. Using this tool, you can easily fix errors like BeReal notifications not working. Step 1. Download and install Android Repair tool. Step 2. Click Repair Now option to go ahead. Step 3. Select correct device info. Step 4. Next, download firmware package. Step 5. Begin Android repair system.